Hello, my friends. Today we're focusing on point of view. So, point of view kind of has two meanings. It can mean who's telling the story, it can also mean how the characters or the narrator or you as the reader feel about what's going on. It's your opinion or your perspective. Okay, so we're going to look at both meanings of point of view today. Hopefully, you've had a chance to read or listen to chapter 7 and 8 of the Gasping Garbage. If not, remember you can click right here and it should take you to this page. Just find chapters 7 and 8. You can read them right through. You don't have to pause in between like we did before. Or you can listen to them, while you have the book in front of you, whatever works best for you. Then, when you're done with that, you're going to go over to this wiser page right here and you're going to answer some questions about point of view. So the first question is going to ask you who is narrating the story. This is a little tricky, so you might want to go back in the book and look. It's not talking about who's the main character or who is the book mostly talking about. It's asking you who is actually talking to you, who's narrating the story. So remember, in our stories, in our narratives, we could choose to have one of our characters narrate the stories, or we can just have an outside narrator who's just talking about what's happening, right? One day, the boy went to school. If you're not the boy telling the story, then you're just an outside narrator, okay? So you need to decide who is narrating these chapters. Then you need to tell, oh, hold on. Okay, there we go. I was on the wrong page. Then you need to tell me what you think Lily looks like. So there's not necessarily a right or wrong answer here, but there are some clues that the narrator gives you. So go back into the story, find any part where the narrator is describing Lily to you, and tell me about the picture you have in your head and how you see her in your head. Last, you're going to answer this question about character motivation. So that means, why does Lily make the decisions that she does? So you have to kind of get into her head and think about her point of view. Why does she make the decisions that she does? All right, that's all. Have fun. And of course, let me know if you need help.